Hi everyone, Daniel here. Before we welcome 2019, I wanted to give you a few ideas on how to make next year your best year ever. In a few hours, it will be 2019. Can you believe that? Personally, I can't believe that. I don't know where the last 12 months have been. You know, it's at this time of the year, it's typical for a lot of people to make what we call New Year's resolutions. And if you are like me and like most people, you're thinking that because tomorrow is a new year, like magic, you are going to start not losing weight. You're going to start exercising every day. You're going to stop smoking. You're going to start saving a deposit for your house. Now, that somehow magically you're going to develop new habits. The reality is that over 80% of people will have given up on their New Year's resolutions by the 20th of January. Personally, I'm surprised to have read that statistics because I believed that most people would have given up a lot earlier, and some of them, actually quite a big chunk of them, would have actually never started, never got out of the block. I mean, if I see it myself, I've made New Year's resolutions and I never stuck to it. And why am I talking about it? Because this year I want it to be different. I am sick of making New Year's resolutions and never sticking to it, and finding myself 12 months later and nothing has changed. At the end of the day, if I don't change what I do, I will always get the same results. So this is why I'm going public. All right. I believe that if I go public, I make myself accountable. And if I make myself accountable and talk about my own experiences, I can help you as well. So basically, I have decided for next year, starting January the 1st, I will start with two things. I will start by first exercising 30 minutes at least 6 days a week. And two, I'm going to drink 2 liters a day, each day and every day. Now, I realize these are not huge goals, but the reason I'm focusing on these first is because I believe that one, I need to start small, and more importantly, I need to start. You see, that's where most people get bogged down. This is why most people never actually achieve any results, is because they never get started. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. Now let me ask you, what are your New Year's resolutions? And if you are serious about your New Year's resolutions, how are you going to ensure you stick with them long enough to have long, desirable results? If I can give you some ideas on how to do that, is first of all, write down your goals, your New Year's resolutions. It's important that you have them written down because that will crystallize your intentions, and also it will have it available for you to look at it, and I would suggest every day. Start small. No need of starting with big dreams, big goals, because you'll never get there. Start small. 3, commit yourself to doing it every day for the next 30 days. Remember, it takes 28 to 30 days to change a habit, so stick to it. And 4th, more importantly, just start. Okay, hopefully that helps. If you got any questions, as usual, just leave a message down as a post or IM me directly. All right, so if you need some extra motivation, what I would recommend is that you write down your intentions, your New Year's resolutions down in a post to make yourself accountable so everyone else can see it. And remember, if you tell others, you'll be a lot more accountable to your results. And if you need any help, again, as usual, let me know. Now, as I said, in a few hours, it will be the new year. I hope you've got some exciting plans for tonight. Have fun, be safe, be good, and I will see you next year for your best year ever. Thanks, bye.